Hey beautiful people, so I just finished coloring, washing my hair. I used this Texture and Tones. This color is 5RR Fire. Now I didn't like the color that came out, which it was kind of bland. It wasn't really popping like it was showing in the picture, which when you dye your hair, most of the time, you know, from the box, you're not gonna always get the color that you intended to get. So I bought a backup, which I always usually do anyway whenever I color my hair, but usually I know my hair well enough to know that sometimes the box dye will not get the color that I want. So I went behind this Texture and Tones shade, and after washing that out, doing the whole process, following the box and doing that whole process, I rinsed it out, and then I followed my hair with this Adore Intense Red number 71 from Creative Image. So I let that sit for about 25 minutes and I sat under the dryer. So as you can see, I have some of the color here in my hairline. That will go away, but I am pretty much satisfied with how the color turned out. My hair was like really jacked because if you look at my previous video, the DIY braid video, I explained that I was trying to dye my hair blonde and it didn't turn out right. It was like two different colors. It was like slightly blonde in the root and then still red at the bottom, because I've been wearing my hair red for so long that it seemed as if the color was not gonna take. So I just went with what I had. So now that I took the braids out, I wanted to update and fix that color. So this is how it turned out. And so I'm gonna try some new products today, and I started with the Long and Luxe Pomegranate and Passion Fruit Strengthening Shampoo Hydrating Hair Wash from As I Am. And I washed my hair with this already. So now I'm going to go in with the Long and Luxe Pomegranate and Passion Fruit Conditioner, which is a strengthening and hydrating treatment. It looks like this. It smells so good. Oh my god. It smells, y'all don't even understand. First of all, I love pomegranate, so that's just a plus for me. But the fact that it smells so good, like it smells like a fruit punch juice, like it's amazing. And all of them smell like this. Like I also have the Grogurt leave-in conditioner, which I will be using following this conditioning process. And it also says that you can leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes, or for deep treatment, which I'm gonna actually do since I did process my hair with color. Says distribute the conditioner throughout the hair, put a plastic cap on and leave on for about 15 to 20 minutes under a hooded dryer. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to apply this to my hair. Y'all gotta smell this. I tell you, it smells so good. Taking out this little white piece here that was stopping the product from coming out. So I'm just gonna put some in my hand. And a lot, actually. That's what it looks like. It's slightly pink. It smells so good. Oh, I just made a mess. I'm just applying this all over my hair. I like the texture. It's creamy but light at the same time. And it really goes on smooth. And my hair is pretty much saturated, but I'm just extra, so I'm just gonna put a little more. And I noticed that it says for hair types 3 to 4, which I think anybody could use it, but I'm not really a hair type of person. So I don't really know if that, you know, that texture type kind of identification thing really works. I just kind of do what I like, and I go with products that I like after I try them. So I don't really look for anything for 3B hair, 3A hair. I just do me. So now I'm gonna take my Denman brush and I'm just going to distribute this product through my hair with this, and also detangle. My hair is actually growing back from a cut that I did not too long ago, and I kept my hair under a wig throughout parts of the last year, I should say, and also the braids that I had. So I haven't really washed my hair as often as I used to, so it's been lacking that moisture, and so yeah, it really needs like some TLC right now. So I just thought I'd take a break from the braids and protective styling and just start focusing back on growing my hair back out. So as you can see, that went through really smooth. It's a Great Detangler. I'm really liking that. I'm just applying a little bit more, and I'm going to twist it up, and I'm just going to put a shower cap on, and then I'm going to sit under the dryer. So I'll be back with the leave-in part. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to actually do with my hair. Thinking maybe a wash and go. So stay tuned, and I'll let you know how my hair feels after this treatment and sitting under the dryer, and then the leave-in portion and styling. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back with freshly rinsed hair, and this is what my hair looks like. It feels really soft, really soft, and I love that the smell of the products linger. Like, my hair is gonna be smelling good for so long until I wash it again. But anyway, it's not soaking wet because I pretty much got it to level of damp. So I'm gonna use the Grow Yogurt leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna apply some right in my hand, and it seems pretty thick. Let's see. Oh yeah, it feels like the conditioner, where it's thick but not too thick, and you can evenly distribute the product. So I'm gonna just start over here. And I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with my hair as of yet, so I'm just going to apply this leave-in, and then I'm going to detangle with my Denman brush, and then try to figure out what to do with it, because I really don't know. And I'm actually pressed for time because I will be going out later, and I'm trying to think of what's the best thing to do with it. I have not slept yet, you guys. I work overnight, so I did not sleep yet since I got off work, and I stayed at work late. I was supposed to get off at 8. I didn't get off until almost 10, and I have not been to sleep yet, and it's like 4 right now. So yeah, I'm exhausted, and I'm like, I'm trying to weigh my options as to what to do to my hair. So I'm just going to part it, and I'm gonna start to detangle. I got my Denman brush, and my hair, like I said, still feels really soft. As you can see, the Denman brush is going in with ease. No tangles, and one of the claims, or some of the claims of the line, says it reduces tangles and combing damage, therefore strengthening hair for longer hair length. So I can so far see that it is living by that claim, because I can just go right through with my Denman brush. Even with me starting at the top, it's still going right through. I'm not getting any knots, I'm not getting any tangles at all. So that is a definite plus. And I haven't really brought any hair products in so long. I have a lot of stuff. I was like a product junkie at one point, and even with me giving away some stuff, throwing away some stuff that was old, I still have tons and tons of products. So I was trying not to buy stuff for a while, but then I seen this line and I'm like, I have to try it, and I smelled it and I'm just like, it smells so good, I am going to have to get it. So that's what I did, and I'm glad I did. Shout out to all the product junkies out there like myself. So look at that. The Denman brush is just going right through. And that leave-in conditioner is not, you don't feel the film of it. You know, some products leave that like film, you know that you have something on your hair. This, I don't feel the leave-in conditioner at all. It feels good, it feels right. It doesn't feel like it's gonna weigh my hair down, so that's a good thing. I have a little bit of breakage, but that's because, you know, my hair was dry, being that it was in braids. Even though I tried my best to keep it moisturized, but it's not too bad. I have like just a little breakage, so nothing crazy. I'm trying to get you guys some good content, and I want to bring my natural hair back to my channel because I usually take breaks. But this is it. I'm just gonna actually leave it like this until I decide what I'm gonna do. And I look crazy right now. So I'm gonna end the video here. There are videos that I will link to this video somewhere in here that you'll be able to reference my natural hair care, things that I've showed you in the past with wash and goes and straightening and what do you call it, the perm rods and stuff. So I'll link those in there, so because I'll probably choose any one of those options to style my hair. So in the meantime, I'll see you next time. Bye.